who came to visit. It's a baby squirrel. I don't see very many of them in the desert. Matter of fact, I haven't seen a squirrel since probably a year ago. And I happened to catch him on video. Like I said, you don't see him very often. Oh, he's digging for the little seeds that are down there for the birds. The birds are up at the top knocking them down right there. Look. Oh, he's so little. He's really skinny. I'm used to seeing squirrels in L.A., in the valley, San Fernando Valley, and they're a little fat. They got lots of trees with seeds and nuts, and people feed them, and they're all fat. This little guy's so skinny. Hi, little guy. Doves aren't even bothered by it. No. We got the doves. Not even bothered. Look. Aww. Nature being nice to nature, not attacking it like the pigeons do. I'm sure if a pigeon landed right now, the poor thing would have no chance. But with the mourning doves over there, the little finches knocking seeds down. Oh, he's adorable. Hi, you. Uh-oh. Oh, guy's really skinny. Or he's just a baby. Hello there. Hi. You are adorable. I know you wouldn't chew the floor of my house to come in and make a nest under my dryer, so you're good. You're a good little guy. He must be hungry, because he's not getting very many seeds from what they're dropping. Poor thing. I'm glad he found us, though. Me and my birdie friends. Hi, quail. Quails, mourning doves, finches. Little baby finches everywhere. Where'd they go? Sorry, I was looking the other way. Hi, quails. Him and his wife are here. They come in pairs. She's getting a drink of water. Yeah, I'm so glad you guys know where the water is. Yeah. Just the doves and pigeons use their beaks like straws. But the quails and doves and finches all have to scoop it in their tiny beak and knock it back. Scoop it up and knock it back and scoop it up. And yeah, but I've seen pigeons out there drinking the water just like the straw, just like the doves. I know they're in the same family, but come on, people. Cats and tigers are in the same family. Not the same. He is so adorable. Oh my goodness, this is going on 4 minutes. He's been out there a long time. Alright, guys. Can't get any cuter than that, no matter how long you watch him. I see seeds falling. I see seeds falling from up there. Alright, cutie. 5 minutes, that's it. Alright, people. Have a nice day. I like my new little friend, and he's so tiny. Look, quails, doves, finches, and baby squirrels. Baby squirrel, baby. He's so skinny. Alright, guys. Thanks for watching.